Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a video in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Canva app. And here in the home menu, in the bottom bar, we find the plus icon. If you tap on this, then if we look at this list that opens up, we find mobile video at the top. If we tap on this, then the app is going to load a little bit, and then we get a screen to which we can add different kinds of videos, different kinds of templates, and start creating our video in the Canva app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.